Hello guys, hope you doing so well, alright? Okay, in this video, we going to draw something really good. But first of all, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure, where creativity, learning and have fun with drawing we can have here. So, let's start. In today's video, we're going to draw really cute fruit. The fruit is avocado, right? So let's start. So at first, I will use this marker, the black one. You guys also can prepare at home. You can use pencil, marker, or everything you want to use. So okay, first of all, I need you to draw like following me. So at first, you need to draw to something like this. Okay, make a curved line like this from here like this. All right, you can see, right, this is curved line like this. Right, once you have this, you can continue to do this line also. The curved line is slightly different, so something like this. Okay, then you can see, right, after this, actually we can imagine this shape, this line, we just mirroring to the right side, so it will become avocado shape. So now you just repeat the same process from here. So in here, right, you do the same thing like this. Okay, right, after that you create this line, the curve line here, but in the other side. So let's start something like this. All right, okay, now we can see that we have this kind of shape. It's like a guitar, right? But without the stick here. So after that, you can give the seed at the middle. So this is basically like half avocado, right? Don't be afraid to draw, just having fun with me. Just draw, no need to be perfect, because the very important thing is we keep practice and we keep to the drawing every single day, right? So now we're going to create the seed at the middle. So you can add a circle line like this here. So start from around here, you create a circle like this. All right, you move it like this. Okay, right, okay, right, you can see, right, this is the seed, will be the seed. All right, okay, to make this draw more attractive and more beautiful, we will give some eyes to the avocado. So let's try to give some circle, two circle for eyes here and here. All right, so you can follow me like this. So this one, okay, let's make a circle like this. It's simple, no need to be complicated. Right, and two over here also. Right, okay, got two already. And then we give some I suggest you we give some mouth, like maybe just curve line like this, like U shape actually, right? Okay, right, looks already looks nice, right? Okay, then from here you can give this avocado with a color, right? So I will pick the green color. No, I mean I need some yellow but slightly green, so I use this color. Yeah, you guys also can use the same color if you have, right? So now I'm going to give this color. Right, all right, you can follow, guys. Just give some color like this, following me. Wow, it's gonna be so fun, right? Okay, spending time together with family, with kid, with parent, we go for drawing every day. It makes a really good experience. So I suggest you do drawing together with your family, especially with the parent. You ask the baby or the kid to draw together with you guys, or not just kid but also can for adult people, because drawing it makes really good for us to train our imagination, right? So yeah, I got this kind of shape already. I hope you guys learning something today. So now after I give this color, I want to give some sort of a green, so it's like telling that this is the skin of the avocado, right? So in here I give slightly empty space, the white one here. The purpose is I want to use the green color over here, so this will be the skin of the avocado, right? So you just play along like this, just follow me, right? It will be so attractive, right? Okay, it's going to be really cute avocado, right? Anyone loves to eat avocado here? Avocado is really good, have a lot of benefit inside there, especially for people who wants to do a diet. It's recommended to eat avocado, right? Okay, looks good already. Okay, then start from here. You can give the color to the seed, right? Okay, now I'm going to use the brown color for the seed. Finally the brown color. Okay, yet I think brown color will be, yeah, like this. Okay, no need to be perfect, guys. As long as you happy and you learn something, that will be enough for you, because practice makes it better, right? Every day we do practice. The more we practice, the more our draw will be looks great, right? Okay, I suggest you when you give a color, you do the same method like this. Don't go like this, don't go like this. But if you can, this is just my suggestion. Okay, just go the same line like this, then the result will be looks much better, right? Okay, all right, it's almost done actually. Wow, I think the last one we will give the eyes. So start from here. I will come back to this marker, right? So I will continue to give the eyes. So basically you just give a circle again at the, yes, at this place. Also the same thing you do like here, right? Then after that you just give a black color around the circle like this. Okay, right, you can see, right? Okay, everyone can follow. All right, looks pretty good. Okay, wow, this will be super cute. Okay, all right, it's almost done, guys. I hope you guys learned something today, how to draw avocado, a super cute avocado, not just avocado. Alright, okay, I think that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this channel for more video upcoming. So yes, hope you guys doing so well. See you to the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Thank you.